Young men call themselves the Rolling Stones. So this is what you've been waiting for, England's hitmakers.
Stand by.
Band that travels from around the country.
Here they are now, the Rolling Stones.
Hi, Houston. Hi, Texas.
Yeah. We always had a great time in Texas. We came first into Texas in 1964. That was my first rodeo.
Yeah,